Previously, we made an actual video how you can actually translate an actual website into Google. But what happens when we have tons, but truly tons of ads into an actual website? Let's say that we no longer wanted to see this specific ads. So to block these ads, there's a few methods of how you can actually get started. The first step, for example, is to focus into your settings. Let's go for the three dots that appears into the upper right corner and look out for settings. Directly here into settings, I'm going to focus for the left section that says privacy and security. Then you wanted to make sure that look out for the element that says site settings. That appears directly inside here. Once I clicked into site settings, you want to scroll all the way down and expand the element that says additional content settings, which usually appears directly inside here. And now you wanted to find the element that says intrusive ads. So make sure that this one is told to blocked, so this stops the most annoying and in your face ads from even loading by actual default. In my case, I only have the element that says automatically remove permission from unused sites. So make sure that you check them out directly inside the element. Once again, additional content setting and intrusive ads. Now the second method, if this one does not appear into your settings, let's say for example ads, the second method that I can be focusing on is into downloading more extension. If you go directly through your Chrome web store, this will be showing you tons of extensions you can download totally for free to make this process, let's say, much more faster. So if I go for the search extension and themes, let's say that I type Adblock. One of the greatest tools nowadays is the Adblock plus.org. This one also is featured by Google where you can download totally for free. So the only thing that you need to do is to look out for the element that says add to Chrome, add extension. Just like this, the extension will be downloaded directly through the Chrome web store. And the only thing you need to do is to make sure that here through your extensions, the Adblock Plus has now been successfully activated. So I'm going to close now the Chrome web store element and I'm going to head back directly for the website where we were before. So now here what I wanted to do is to reload the page to see if there are ads available now. So as you can see, there is the actual same site and now we have less ads available, but we still have into the left section a few ads. So basically what I need to do is to make sure that into the upper side where it says extension Adblock split through, I wanted to make sure that here, for example, I wanted to block more than just one element. Now this kind of page who are foreign countries pages sometimes are a little bit more harder to, let's say, delete some ads, but it's still deleted 3 total of ads directly through this website. So I think this actually worked really fine for me. And the last solution that I can give you, if you still don't want to see ads anymore, you can try to download out the Brave browser. Brave browser is an amazing place where you can have block ads, save data, and get way faster with pages. So basically this element is going to be really helpful to no longer see this kind of ads anymore, even though it doesn't matter where you're actually trying to make changes. So you want to get started there if you wanted to stick around with no ads at all into your website. So take that in mind. So basically this is how you can actually get started with this element. If you have any questions, let us know down below in the comments elements. Thank you for watching and see you next time.